have a great day and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make an amazing text effect using a Kinemaster. Okay, let's start. First, let's click media. Next, let's select a plain black background. Okay, next we will add some layer. Then click the text. I'm gonna type in Phoenix Prod. Then select whatever font you want. Okay, I choose Lucky Regular. Then click the capture tool at the left side of the screen. Then click the capture and save. Capture tool is like a print screen. It will capture whatever is in your screen and it will automatically save in a capture folder as an image file. After capturing the screen, we will delete the text layer. We will add another layer. Then click media. Okay, now let's select an image that we want to be the color of the text. Okay, let's choose this image with beautiful color combination. Then select overall animation. Under overall animation, click counterclockwise or clockwise. Select layer. Then add media. We will add here in media the image file that we captured earlier. Remember the Phoenix Prod text. At the right side of the screen, choose the blending tool. Under the blending tool, you can use the multiply or darken. Then click check. If you want to adjust the color, contrast, brightness, etc., just click the Phoenix Prod image file. Then at the right side of the screen, find the adjustment tool. If you are done with the adjustment, just click the check button. Now we're done. Let's play to check the text effect. I hope that you learned something from this video. Thank you and see you next time.